Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Michael Ruttle, immigration attorney, and today I want to talk a little bit about the E2 visa. It's a game-changing opportunity for investors and entrepreneurs looking to bring their business and dreams and build a legacy in the United States. The visa doesn't just let you invest in your own business, it gives you a chance to live, work, and build something in the United States. So, if you have been thinking about expanding or starting your own business in the United States, then you have to watch this video because we are getting a lot of questions right now, and so many people are getting this process wrong. And so in this video, I'm going to break down the eligibility, the application process, and share a couple real world examples to give you a little bit more clear of a path forward. So let's jump right in. First, I want to talk about general eligibility because this is where it starts. And trust me, people mess this up frequently. First, you must be a citizen of an E2 treaty country. Not every country qualifies. This only means countries that have what's called a treaty of commerce with the United States. Do not skip checking this. This list is publicly available. We've got the link down below. Some countries used to be on the list and now they're not anymore. Next, you need to invest a substantial amount of capital in a US business. There is no set minimum dollar amount, but your investment must be substantial or big enough to ensure that your business will succeed. Think of things like revenue or job creation. Again, job creation is not required, but it goes to show whether your business will succeed or not. And here's a crucial point. You have to prove that the money you're investing was obtained lawfully, legitimately, from some legal sources. This part requires tons of documentation, so be ready to show receipts. It could be things like you inherited it, you saved it, you got it from bank of mom and dad, whatever it is, just be ready to prove it. Another key piece for the E2 is that you must have control over the funds and the business's operations with at least 50% ownership. And you need to have some sort of managerial role where you can direct and develop or have some other decision making authority in the business. And don't forget, your investment can't just scrape by to support you and your family. That's called a marginal business, and those won't qualify. Your business has to be significant enough to contribute meaningfully to the US economy. This usually requires a business plan showing at least 5 years forward of potential growth. Now, let's talk about the application process because this is where things get pretty intense. And if you don't start off on the right foot, people can get tripped up. You have to show that your money is at risk, meaning your money isn't just sitting in a bank account, it's already committed. And when you have all of the documentation, you file the case either with the US Embassy or with the Department of Homeland Security, explaining how your business can grow and make an impact. I want to say one quick side note about the business plan. It has to include market research, competition analysis, financial projections, and have a crystal clear strategy for growth. If you've already spent money, show it. Bring receipts, invoices, bank statements. Prove that your funds are hard at work. A solid business plan doesn't just support your application, it's kind of your roadmap to success and will help the immigration officer understand how you're using your money to grow. Generally, the government wants to see that your business is going to benefit the US economy, whether it's creating jobs, boosting an industry, or filling some sort of critical need. To give you an idea of how this works in practice, I wanted to share a couple of real world examples for you. We've helped clients, for example, from Europe start construction companies that expand into multiple states. We've helped entrepreneurs from Asia launch logistic firms, and we've even helped, founders from Latin America build businesses in the trades or even sports and entertainment. Again, there's no minimum requirement, and in terms of the dollar amount and investments for our clients, we've helped range from as little as a $25,000 investment up to $3 million. Again, that's no guarantee because what matters is showing how your business will positively impact the US economy, how your investment is substantial enough to commence operations. Some people face challenges proving their investment was substantial, and other people struggle with the paperwork and proving where they got the money from. But with the right guidance, they found success. I remember we had one client who invested around 150,000 in a tech startup, and the business was innovative. They had a good model, good business plan, and we convinced USCIS that the venture would thrive in a competitive tech industry, and it got approved without an RFE. Again, this doesn't mean that's going to happen in every case because every case is different. The opportunities under the E2 visa are as diverse as the entrepreneurs themselves. So here's the deal. If you're thinking about the E2 visa, you need to do it the right way. We've helped lots of people do it. We can help you as well. Feel free to reach out and schedule a consultation if you want some help. But remember, prove where you got the money from, create a business plan showing how you're going to use the money to start a business, and then just get going. Don't wait. Don't procrastinate. This is your chance to make your business vision a reality. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, drop your questions in the comments. We are here to help. I'm Michael Ruttle again. Thank you. Keep climbing that mountain.